Low mile, one owner Chevrolet time here. 2014 Chevrolet Camaro SS with a 1LE performance package. Also has the RS package. Best of all, low miles. It was about 6,400 original miles on this. It is a one owner, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, confirms miles. This car has always been in our area. Owner just decided it was time to part ways with this one, move on to something else. So here it is. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see them at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. To get a good look at the front fascia on this. Of course, SS specific front and rear fascia. As you can see by the SS logo in the grille. Heat extractor hood, flat black. Powered by a 6.2 liter V8, 426 horse engine. That is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. 20-inch painted black wheels on this one. That is also a Chevy Camaro option wheel. So that is a stock wheel. That would be a forged aluminum black painted wheel, and again in 20-inch. Center console. There's your 6-speed. Now this does have the MyLink Chevrolet stereo system to it with Sirius XM satellite, limited slip differential back here. Of course, Brembo 4-piston disc brakes, and the list goes on. You can see the luster of the paint on this one. Nice reflection to it. A little added aftermarket gas door. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Original window sticker also goes along with this car. It is in the trunk. There's pictures of it online at uniqueclassiccars.com. So you can take a look at the window sticker, see exactly what this has for options on it. Again, red rock metallic. Black cloth interior, and look at the reflection off of that paint. It's what you'd expect out of a low mile Camaro like this. What, approximately 7 years old now, but in very nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and check this interior out. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all your standard equipment that you would have got on this, and then some. There's your steering wheel controls. Of course, cruise driver's information center, that MyLink stereo I talked about a little bit ago. All right, let's start it up. We'll check the exact miles. I'm going to have to pause this a second. Left the keys in the counter over there, so hold on one second. Let me grab the keys. All right, I have the keys. That's going to help. There's your exact miles, 6,472. Now, as you can see, this is just the seatbelt warning indicator up there. Green light over on the other side. Daytime running lamps. So, no warning indicators, anything like that, huh? Just under 6,500 miles. There's the MyLink. And as you can see, dash. Everything on the interior, fine shape. AC blows cold. Everything works as it should. Again, what you'd expect with that kind of miles on it. You can see those no wear to the bolster, seat fabric, anything like that. And no major modifications from what I have seen on this. Nice little rumble coming out of that. 6.2 liter again underneath the hood. It'll make some noise. You're under throttle out on the open road. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's take a look underneath there. See what the engine bay looks like.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's a 6.2 liter, 426 horse Chevrolet V8. Strut tower brace. Take a look at how clean this hood liner is. You can tell it has not been driven any sort of inclement weather. And smooth running. Again, one owner, clean Carfax. 2014 Camaro SS, of course, with the 1LE performance package, also the RS package. Take a look on the window sticker. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us to 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.